Did you know that MetaTrader 5, or MT5, is used by millions of traders worldwide and offers over 100 different trading instruments? When it comes to maximizing your trading potential, being able to log into your funded account in MT5 is crucial. With a funded account, you'll have access to a wide range of features and tools that can help you take your trading to the next level. But before you can start using these features, you need to log in successfully. Logging into your funded account in MT5 might seem like a straightforward process, but it's surprisingly common for traders to get stuck at this stage. Maybe you're new to MT5 and aren't sure where to find your account details, or perhaps you're having trouble connecting to the server. Whatever the issue, it's frustrating and can hold you back from achieving your trading goals. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of logging into your funded account in MT5, so you can start trading with confidence. One of the biggest challenges traders face when trying to log into their funded accounts is incorrect credentials. This might seem obvious, but it's surprisingly easy to get your login details mixed up, especially if you have multiple accounts. Make sure you're using the correct username and password, and that they are both spelled correctly. Another common issue is connectivity problems. This can be caused by a range of factors, from internet connectivity issues to firewall problems. If you're having trouble connecting to the server, try restarting your internet router or checking your firewall settings to see if they are blocking the connection. Sometimes, traders will get an error message saying that their account is disabled or locked. This can be frustrating, but it's usually an easy fix. Check your email to see if you've received any notifications from your broker, and make sure you're using the correct account details. Firewall restrictions can also cause issues when trying to log into your funded account. If you're using a public computer or a work laptop, there might be restrictions in place that prevent you from accessing the MT5 server. Try using a different device or connecting to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. If you're still having trouble logging in, it's worth checking your account status to make sure it's active and funded. You can do this by logging into your broker's website or contacting their customer support team. Another common mistake traders make is forgetting to select the correct server when logging into MT5. Make sure you're selecting the correct server for your broker, as this can prevent you from accessing your account. Some traders will get an error message saying that their account is already logged in elsewhere. This can happen if you've forgotten to log out of your account on a different device. Simply log out of your account on the other device and try logging in again on your current device. If you're still having trouble, it's worth checking the MT5 website for any server maintenance notifications or updates that might be affecting your login. You can also try restarting your MT5 platform or contacting your broker's customer support team for further assistance. Now that we've covered some of the common challenges traders face when trying to log into their funded accounts, let's walk through the step-by-step process of logging in. To start, make sure you have the correct login details for your funded account. These can usually be found in your broker's confirmation email or on their website. Write down your username and password and keep them in a safe place. Next, open up your MT5 platform and click on the File menu at the top left of the screen. From here, select Login to Trade Account and enter your username and password in the correct fields. Once you've entered your login details, click the Login button. If everything is correct, you should be logged into your funded account and able to access all the features and tools you need to start trading. If you encounter any issues during the login process, don't panic. Take a deep breath and try troubleshooting the issue using the tips we covered earlier. As you log into your funded account, you'll notice a range of features and tools available to you. Take some time to explore the platform and get familiar with the different menus and options. One of the most important features you'll need to navigate is the terminal window. This is where you'll find all your account information, including your balance, equity, and margin levels. You'll also want to take a look at the Market Watch window, which shows you real-time market prices and analysis. This can be a valuable tool for identifying trading opportunities and staying up to date with market news. As you start trading, make sure you're keeping an eye on your account metrics and adjusting your strategy accordingly. Remember to stay disciplined and focused, and don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it. In this video, we've covered the importance of logging into your funded account in MT5, common challenges traders face, and the step-by-step process of logging in. By following these tips and staying focused, you can overcome any obstacles and start achieving your trading goals. To recap, logging into your funded account in MT5 requires attention to detail, patience, and persistence. By double-checking your login details, troubleshooting any issues that arise, and staying familiar with the MT5 platform, you can ensure a smooth login process and start trading with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any thoughts or questions about logging into your funded account in MT5. If you're looking for more advanced trading strategies, be sure to check out our next video.